How to get working Old Navy promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Old Navy promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Old Navy. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that 20% off, 50% off, 70% off, $15 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it. Then click on Redeem at Old Navy. You will be directed to the official website of Old Navy. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out all offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Also check out this website, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Old Navy. Well, this way you can easily get Old Navy working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.